Imagine this. It is your first day at office. New people, new boss, everyone is speaking English.
You want to speak, but no words come out. Your heart beats fast.
Don't worry. Today, we will fix this fear.
Yes, in this lesson, you will learn simple office English sentences that you can use from your first day at work.
No difficult grammar, only easy, real English. Welcome to Miss English Channel, where learning English is easy and practical.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today's lesson is English Conversation at Office, beginner friendly.
If you want to speak English confidently at work, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Let's start your office journey. First thing in office, greetings.
Use these simple sentences. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Always smile and make eye contact. If you want to sound polite, say, "Good morning, how are you?"
And the answer is simple. I'm fine, thank you.
On your first day, people will ask your name.
Say, hello, my name is Ravi. I'm new here.
Or, nice to meet you. I just joined today.
Very simple, very professional.
Talking to your boss needs polite English.
Use these sentences. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I understand. I'll do it right away. I'll finish it today.
If you have a question, say, "May I ask a question?"
Never say only what. Be polite.
Office English is not only for boss.
Use friendly sentences with colleagues. Can you help me, please? Thank you so much. Let's work together. That's a good idea.
Polite English builds good relationships. This is very important. If you don't understand, say, "Sorry, I didn't understand." Can you repeat, please? Could you explain again? Please speak slowly.
Never feel shy. Asking is better than making mistakes.
Let's review.
Repeat in your mind. Good morning. I'm new here. May I ask a question? Can you help me, please? Sorry, I didn't understand.
These sentences are your office English starter pack.
Speaking English at office is not about perfect grammar.
It's about clear and polite communication.
Practice these sentences every day.
Comment below, which sentence will you use first at office?
Like, subscribe, and keep learning with Miss English Channel.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye. Happy working.